Welcome to Skate4Concrete, a nationally recognized, classroom-ready certification program that uses the energy of skateboarding to introduce students to concrete construction and career pathways. This guide will show you how state affiliates can bring this program to life in your state. Skate4Concrete is powered by Project Cornerstone, endorsed by the National Ready Mixed Concrete Association, and proudly sponsored by the Concrete Advancement Foundation. This program is designed for high school students in career and technical education programs and blends hands-on learning with real-world relevance. This innovative program introduces students to concrete construction through a blend of classroom learning, industry exposure, and project-based teamwork. Whether they're in a construction lab, learning online, or exploring careers, students engage in meaningful work that connects what they learn in school to opportunities in their community. The course begins with 4 core modules. Module 1 introduces the basics of concrete, what it is and how it's made. Module 2 dives into concrete mix design and materials. Module 3 focuses on quality control and testing, and Module 4 explores concrete construction techniques, including volume estimation and tool use. Each module includes interactive lessons and a quiz to reinforce key concepts. In Module 5, students explore real careers in the concrete industry. From concrete supply to construction, they learn about in-demand entry-level jobs, many of which require little to no post-secondary education and offer strong starting pay, benefits, and growth potential. Students are guided through an online job exploration exercise where they search for real positions in their state and discover companies hiring today. They research job responsibilities, learn how to apply, and start to see how their new knowledge connects directly to opportunities in their community. The program concludes with a hands-on team project where students design and build their own mini concrete skate parks. Using graph paper, foam boards, and real materials like sand, cement, and silicone molds, they simulate the process of planning, forming, mixing, and shaping concrete, bringing together everything they've learned in a creative, career-connected experience. Students apply everything they've learned, planning, teamwork, measurement, and mix design, to construct their own mini concrete skate parks. It's messy, creative, and career-connected. And most importantly, they build something tangible with real materials. Here are examples of finished student projects. Each one is different, but they all demonstrate an understanding of scale, formwork, curing, and reinforcement. These models show students that concrete isn't just about sidewalks, it's about design, precision, and possibility. When students complete the program, they earn a nationally recognized certification endorsed by the National Ready Mixed Concrete Association. This credential reflects foundational knowledge in concrete and construction and gives students a head start when applying for jobs or training programs. State affiliates are essential to making this program work. Skate4Concrete was created to bridge the gap between schools and the concrete industry. But we can't do it without your partnership. Your role is not to carry this on your own, but to help us connect with local schools and companies so we can facilitate the process together. When we work in tandem, we build momentum, increase visibility, and strengthen the connection between education and industry. The first step is helping us build awareness. You can support Skate4Concrete by introducing the program to career and technical education directors, attending CTE conferences, and identifying schools that are a good fit to pilot the program. This helps us form the right foundation to support implementation and gather the backing needed for state credential recognition. Skate4Concrete provides the curriculum, an online learning platform, and mini skate park kits. But to ensure meaningful connections, we rely on local concrete companies to supply the schools with concrete making materials, like pre-masonry mix, sand, 3/8-inch rock, and cement. These contributions build direct relationships between students and the local employers they're learning about in the program. Every state has a different process for approving industry-recognized credentials. Skate4Concrete prepares the application, but we need your help identifying a school or district willing to pilot the program and support the submission. In many cases, a school or district must be the official applicant. We also rely on the state association and local companies to provide letters of support confirming they will consider the certification in their hiring practices. We've created sample letters to make this easy. We're not asking you to submit the application. We're asking you to partner with us so we can navigate the process together and ensure it meets your state's requirements. Once approved, we work with you to support instructors, launch the program in schools, and promote it throughout your network. This partnership creates long-term value, not just for students, but for your members and the communities you serve. By helping connect classrooms to careers, you help build the next generation of concrete professionals. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Skate4Concrete. To get started, visit our website for more information, resources, and contacts. Together, we can build stronger communities, one classroom and one skate park at a time. Skate4Concrete is proudly supported by the Concrete Advancement Foundation,